How to fix TikTok? This sound is not licensed for commercial use. First of all, after you open up your TikTok, to fix this problem, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. Under this menu, now go to this settings and privacy. After you come to this settings and privacy now, tap on this where it says account, the first option. After you tap on this account, all you have to do now, tap on this section. As you can see now here, it says switch to personal account. Tap on it. So the reason why TikTok is giving you that some of the content that you want to use on your TikTok account is not licensed for commercial use is because your TikTok account is business account. If you, when using business account on TikTok, you must use anything that is your own, not using someone copyright claim. Like you can't use someone content on your TikTok videos. Like you can't use anything that is copyrighted on TikTok if you are using business account. But if you are using personal account, you can be able to use anything that TikTok gives you without getting any copyright issue. But now to fix this problem, you must switch your account to personal account. So tap on this switch anyway. So as you can see now, it says switch to personal account. So now if you go back and try to upload any video with any sound under it, now you can't get such problem of saying that this sound is not licensed for commercial use. Your problem will be solved. That's it guys on how to fix this problem. That's it guys on how to fix this problem of this sound is not licensed for commercial use. Just make sure to switch your account to personal account, not business account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.